Hello amazing learner. In this video we will try to explore the concept of density using salt, water and 3 eggs. And to add a fun, in this video we have sibling named Arish, Dua, Hurum. For the eggs name, that is the eggs name for Dua, that's for Hurum, and that's for Arish, for adding a fun in this video. To demonstrate how the salt affect water density. This experiment is the demonstration of floating and sinking eggs. The material which is required in this experiment, that we have 3 eggs, 3 transparent glass, water, salt and spoon. And in this 3 glass, you can see we have, in the first glass we have normal water, in the second glass we have water with 4 teaspoons of table salt, and in the glass 3 we have water with 8 teaspoons of table salt. Let's start this experiment. In the first glass 1, we add Dua eggs which contain normal water. Gently you observe Dua eggs sink. This is because here the density of egg is more than the water. In the second glass, we add Hurum eggs which contain water and 4 teaspoons of table salt. You observe the egg is suspended in the second glass. This is due to a little salt in water, that is, it contains 4 teaspoons of salt. That is why it little bit change the density of water, so the egg are suspended in the glass. Now in glass we have Arish eggs. Wow, the Arish eggs fully floated. How this happened? This is due to the large amount of salt in the water equal to the density of eggs. This experiment helps students understand the concept of density and buoyancy in a fun and interactive way. That's for all today, the learners. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing science experiments. Thanks for watching.